What's happening, people? Hope everyone's good. We're just here in the old workshop, fucking about. What are we getting into today? That's the 120R I bought a couple of days ago. I've literally just put it here, ain't done nothing to it. I think I'm gonna jump out on this and do a wheelie tutorial part 2. What else? My guy's coming today. I'm gonna let him have a play around on that one. Just needs a back brake. That's all this one needs. It's a very good little bike. My pal was rebuilding this 85 the other day. Knocked it all over the floor. I've just picked it up for him. Yeah, he was putting this back together. I believe he's hurt his finger. And there's the blood. A bit of blood there. There's blood all on the floor. It's hard to see. But apparently he's almost chopped his finger off. Bless him. Bless his little heart. And hopefully he'll heal up soon. But other than that, we've got a multi-gym here. We're going to put this multi-gym up. It's got all the Olympic weights. We just need to get around it. Yeah. Still looking like a mess at the minute, but we've got to sort this gaff back out. You know what I mean? But yeah, let's get into it. So this one needs, the brake needs bleeding, so I'm going to do that now. Bleed that old brake, and then do a couple of wheelies, I think. Let's see if it says Halford's Advance on it. So yeah, we're getting on this now. Get this old master cylinder cap off and see if it is the fluid. I'm sure it is. Dark in here, can't really see fuck all. So we've got a lot of fluid up there. Well, it's got a lot of fluid in it, but it don't seem to be bleeding. Pump that brake for me. Oh, it's all dark. I don't know if you can see what's going on. Pump it. That's strange, isn't it? Nothing's even coming out of it. There goes. Yeah, something really ain't right with this one, so let's undo this here and see. Pump, just give it a pump, see it. Oh, stop for a minute. So it's actually the cylinder. Strange. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, because for some reason that master cylinder is not bleeding for anything, so I'm hoping I can just basically swap it for this one and then try and bleed it and see what happens. Headache. Just have to take this off another bike. So I've put the new one on. Here's the old one. I'm going to take the lever off of it, put the lever on there, and then hopefully we can bleed her right up. See what's happening inside of this. In fact, I think I'll connect this first. What size was that? 13. There it is. It's just looking for this spanner. So I've got the lever off, I'm going to put it on there. Do you know what? I spend half my time looking for tools because my mates come and use my tools, yeah, and they don't put nothing back. That's why I've got that old secret toolbox there as a backup, and I don't let no one use them tools. No one, you know what I mean? But let's get this on. I've whacked the lever on, and I noticed that the bubbles were coming straight away, so let me just do this lever up. Right, what are you doing, boy? Hopefully. No, there's no bubbles. Just oh, there we go. This is a long process, this is. I'm not gonna lie. So as you can see, I was fucking about with this the other night. Back on it again today. Gonna try a different method now. Yeah, one sec, let me go. Because if you do it slowly, yeah, you actually get some bubbles coming. Oh, there's no bubbles coming now. There we go.
Keep pumping. Keep it on that level, make sure it don't go down too low as well.
Yeah, no, it's going down. It's not going down quick though, but it is going down.
Pump, 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 pump.
Yeah, I can feel it coming back. It's back.
Yeah?
Mum's life is back, yeah?
We'll do one more, yeah?
Yeah, go on.
What's that like?
Hang on, let me fill her up. She's back though. She is back, boy.
When it's about halfway down that pot, tell me, yeah?
Go on.
Go on.
What, should I still pump?
Yeah, pump, pump, pump. When it goes halfway down, we'll try it off. Tell me, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, it's about halfway, yeah.
Come on?
Yeah.
Keep pumping it. Is it getting any harder, like?
Yeah, it's nice, solid. I can tell that's proper. Have a feel of that.
Yeah, that's good. We'll go one more, get the level down a bit more so we can put the cap in it, I'll have a feel, yeah?
Alright, no worries. Keep pumping, yeah?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Keep down. And when the level's a little bit lower.
Yeah, she's low, bruv.
Keeping hard again?
Yeah, she's gone hard. She's cushy, boy.
Yeah.
My boy Matt, he's a professional at bleeding the brakes, boy.
In there, man.
Yeah, no, I've had to do it before when I fucking
No. That goes in it, pushes it up.
Oh, is it? Well, I shouldn't put a little bit more in there.
Trust me.
Sick. Yeah, boy, front brakes all done now. Just taking some pictures. I'll post her up for sale today. My pal's just come out. Got this lovely little blaster. Drifter, jeez. Just take a little all round of this quad that is. Very good quad. She's a good quad. She is a good one. So a little drift. See what it feels like compared to my one. It's super icy out here today. Oh, the back brake on this is so nice. Bruv, your back brake is sick, boy. That's how I need my back brake on my blaster, man. That back brake is sick. Yeah, no, this is a very good blaster, man. She feels powerful. Electro carb, look. Electron, she's a good one. V-forces. Pro circuit exhaust. Yeah, boy. All road legal. I do love a blaster, I'm not gonna lie.
And I know when the chains come off, it fucks them, innit?
What, has the chain come off of this before?
No, not when I've had it.
But
someone
it's a possibility it could have come off before, isn't it?
It's a little bit wet.
Yeah, I can see that.
That tasting off in a bit and have a look. You know what else I want? I want one of them fucking, you know them belly pants.
Yeah, I've got one, you can have it. I've got one in there you can have.
Spare one, eh?
Yeah, I took it off. The reason why I don't like them is because when you're wheeling them, and you're out here on the roads, the engine heats up and it's not getting a lot of air to it. I've got one in there. It's got stickers on it. Obviously, it's not the cleanest, but it's decent. It's not rusty on it. But I'm not gonna lie, I love blasters, man. Like, I think blasters, my favourite quad has got to be a Banshee, and then second from a Banshee is definitely a blaster.
It's like an 85 version of a crosser.
Yeah, that's how I treat it. Like, these quads, they're literally like 85cc. They're not 85, they're 200cc, but they feel like you're riding like a fresh, brand new YZ85 or something, but with 4 wheels. Look at this dog. Look, it can blatantly get out, yeah. This dog can get out of there. Who's this? Look at it. Throw a little garnish, old little thing. I know 100% fact that this dog is doing this on purpose now. Where's this dog? Look. There you go. That dog, look. There you go. There you go. Oh, she big. Don't bring that ball out here no more. Bloody dog. This 120 is going to be up for sale. I've took some pictures, I'm going to post it up today. Let's see if I can wheelie around the whole industrial. That'd be mad if I could. To drop the wheel, man, because fucking I was getting arm pump here, and it's so muddy and that and slippery, and I can feel it all splashing out my back of my neck. Let's see if I can get another toy out of the shop. Got these two YZs come in for a service. This one looks like anywhere between a 2010 to a 2013. Not a bad little bike. Gonna give this one a good old service. And then we've got one here that's like 2008, maybe a 2009. Yeah, not a bad little bike. Restyle front mudguard. We'll crack on with both of these tomorrow. Couple of little bits in here to do the service. Some oil filters. Yeah, we'll crack on with that one tomorrow. I'm probably gonna end this vlog here. It's just a little one. I'll catch you guys on the next one.